Learning disability. What is a learning disability? A learning disability is a problem with acquisition of the use of language. It manifests itself as difficulty in reading, writing, reasoning, or math. Statistics of a learning disability. 15% or 1 in every 7 people have a learning disability. Learning disabilities often run in families. Boys are more likely to get diagnosed with a learning disability than girls, and 80% of people with learning disabilities have problems with basic reading and language skills. There are 3 types of learning disability: dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia. The first and major learning disability is dyslexia. Over 20% of people in the United States have dyslexia. Dyslexia is a specific learning disability that comes with the neurological origin that affects the brain. Children with dyslexia often reverse letters and have problem processing and comprehending reading. They also could cause problems with language and spelling. These are through the eyes of a dyslexic child. The cat is big. They may read it as the cat is big. The ones in red are the ones that they make mistakes on. Instead of the pig is in mud, they read it like this, as a Q and a B. And they also have difficulty in remembering their addresses because they may confuse numbers. And this is just what a dyslexic child might see. Another type of learning disability is dysgraphia. Dysgraphia is a learning disability that encounters writing problems. A person may have trouble spelling, organizing their thoughts and ideas on paper, and poor handwriting. Some characteristics that children with dysgraphia might have is awkward pencil grip, not writing on the line, or unfinished words or sentences. And these are examples of what dysgraphia writing may look like. As you can see here, it's not on the line. The handwriting is very big. And this is someone older where you could barely read it, and a lot of the words are not finished. The third type of learning disability is dyscalculia. Dyscalculia refers to math skills. There is no basic definition because each person is on a different level in math. So a child may be able to understand number sense, but may not be able to sort objects or remember math facts. A lot of people have problems with spatial relations, and this may also cause them to read, as like dyslexia, they may see the numbers differently. Here's some examples of dyscalculia. Students may not remember number sense and order, so they may mix up 2, 4, 1, 3 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 1 is 3. They don't know simple facts, and they do not understand that number and pictorial representations match. They may have only 5 dots, but they may say it's the number 7. There are early warning signs when a child may have a learning disability that parents and teachers should be aware of. Oftentimes they have poor or short memory loss. You may tell them to do something and several minutes later they forget what they were supposed to do. A lot of students, especially boys with learning disabilities, are very hyperactive, and many of them also have ADHD. They have slowness in completing their work because they often become very frustrated or they just don't understand it. They have poor visual and motor coordination. A lot of students that have learning disabilities receive occupational and physical therapy. They have reversals in their reading and writing. Very poor organizational skills. They don't know how to take what's in their brain and process it onto paper. And they have difficulty staying on task and making easy everyday decisions. Here's the sources I use. That's it.
That's it? You have to take more.